So today we're making s'mores cake truffles. It's so delicious, super easy, but also messy. Beware. It's a great recipe to use with your kids. I'm going to use Lotus Biscoff cookies. I've already made the Betty Crocker chocolate cake, so it's easier. It's just as simple. You don't have to make a homemade chocolate cake. You can even buy a store-bought cake if you want. So we're just going to crumble up that chocolate cake into little bit-sized pieces. I'm going to go ahead and crumble up my cookies. And as you can see there, you could also use graham cracker cookies if you want. I'm using Jet Puff marshmallow cream because it's easier than melting the marshmallows. I always have a hard time doing that. So we're just going to put that into our cake crumbles. And we're going to just mix this up really well. You want the cake to be combined with the marshmallow cream thoroughly. You want it to be mixed really well. So as I said, guys, it's going to be super messy. If you want to use gloves, you can do that. But since I'm the only one that's going to be eating these, I mean, I just feel like it's okay. Make sure you wash your hands too. Wash your hands before doing this. So we're just mixing. I had to actually get another piece of the cake because it needs to be a little bit more firmer. So I'm getting that cake incorporated into that marshmallow cream. Making that ball. You're going to shape it into a ball, a round ball. You can do several of these to make the truffle. Look at that. So just roll it around and this is what you get. And I'm actually going to put these in the refrigerator to let them set for about an hour is good. But in actuality, I did it for a day because I didn't have time. So now I have my cookie crumbles ready. This is the next day, actually. I've already melted my chocolate. I just used Nestle chocolate chips, or you can use a chocolate bar or whatever. And I melted, well, not melted, but I heated up some heavy whipping cream. And I just mixed that all together to make like a chocolate syrup. And you just dip your cake balls, cake rounds, truffles into that chocolate. And then you want to roll it around in that graham cracker. Did I say graham cracker? I meant Biscoff cracker crumbles. I'm so used to thinking about graham crackers with s'mores. But this is a great alternative. I started off dipping the, rolling the truffles into the Biscoff crumbles, but it got a little messy, so I just sprinkled them on top. So either way you want to do it is fine. So once you finish that, look how beautiful they look, glistening. Oh my gosh, it's like a ganache. This chocolate is really like a ganache, but you know, you're gonna put this into the refrigerator. And I left mine about an hour for it to sit, and this is your results here. So delicious. Look at that glistening chocolate, and look at the inside. And it was so soft. Like, it's delicious. So have fun with these. Bring your kids and get your kids involved. Enjoy.